What up guys, welcome back to another video on NFT art. I hope you're having a fantastic day no matter where you are in this wonderful world. Now in this video it's going to be a quick tutorial on how to make GIFs, how to make animated art and sell those pieces on OpenSea or Mintable or Raribles or whatever it is that is your choice of platform. Now the reason why I think animated art is kind of cool is because, you know, everything is kind of digital now. We want to make something that is appealing to the eye, that's catchy. When you scroll through OpenSea, for example, you see a lot of static images, a lot of paintings, and that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. A lot of them looks fantastic. But what does catch the eye is the animated GIFs, the 3D models, the rotation, the colors, the images that kind of like pop out at you. So in this video, it's going to be a quick tutorial using easy GIFs. Now, before I go on to talk about that, I want to talk about multi-platform selling. In my previous video, I mentioned that I tried to move stuff that's in my wallet from OpenSea to Mintable and it didn't bring it over. Now, I did say that I think Rarible does connect with OpenSea, but I was also wrong in that sense. So let's just jump in real quick. Now, if you go into Rarible here, it does give you an option to connect your wallet. So I'm going to click connect. Let me kind of minimize myself. So when I click connect wallet, it will ask me to connect my wallet of choice. Obviously, you guys know I use MetaMask. So I click on MetaMask, it logs itself in. I click on my items, and yet again, it has only pulled over my domains. Okay. My items on sale, it's found none, even though technically speaking on OpenSea I have things on sale. Now the interesting thing is it does pull all the activity that happened on my wallet, so it knows that 2 days ago I sold an art piece, and you know 4 days before that I sold Vaccinate or Die. You know, it knows that I bought these domains a while ago, and then 3 weeks ago I sold Graphic Pandemic on Mintable. So obviously it knows that I've sold this on Mintable and I've sold these two on OpenSea. So it's technically bringing the activities, the transactions that happened on my wallet over. I did do some research and this is what I found. This is the OpenSea official Reddit forum, and someone's pretty much asked the same question. Can I transfer an NFT from OpenSea to Rarible? An individual answered that it's connected to your wallets because OpenSea uses lazy minting. You have to move it from your OpenSea account into your wallet before it kind of connects with Rarible, Mintable, everything else. In order for it to sit in your wallet, you need to kind of pay gas for it to go from OpenSea to your MetaMask wallet, and obviously we don't want to pay gas for that procedure, given that gas is so expensive. So that is the answer to that question that I and a few other people had. How do you sell across multiple platforms? At the moment, it's going to have to be a manual process of individually uploading everything that you had from Mintable to OpenSea or OpenSea to Rarible. Now on to the tutorial. Where you want to go is easygifs.com. So easygifs.com, and then you want to go into GIF Maker. Now, like I said before, you want to bring people to your artwork, you want to attract people, you want to catch their eye, and therefore animated art, animated GIFs are the best way to do that. Okay, and this is a very simple way for you to do that. Now, first off, what do you need? You need a couple of images that you've created that has some kind of element that you want to animate, obviously. So this is what I did the other night. Here you will see that the light will come on. Okay, this is my cyberpunk style themed pieces with a cat thrown in. Okay, that's my thing at the moment. So you'll notice that the light will come on, and also the skyline will change as well. So I kind of ripped out the skyline. The original one was kind of bland, there was nothing there. I put in an anime style one and I changed the color. So there you go, you can see it's gone from blue to yellow, and then the lights come on. Okay, so lights off, on, then it's gone to this teal aqua color, and now it's gone to this purple color. Okay, so they are the elements that I want to animate. So let's do that. What you want to do is go to choose your files, and obviously you want to upload 4 of your files. So remember to click upload and make a gift, because I did this video for you guys previously and I forgot to press upload and make a gift, and it was just sitting there for like 5 minutes, and I'm thinking, God, Australian internet is so bad. But actually it was user error. I didn't click upload and make a gift. So anyway, really easy process, really powerful tool. gives you an ability to add special effects, reverse the animation, do a few different things, and I think it's pretty cool. So there you go, it's uploaded my images. Each of my images were pretty high res. They were about 12 megapixels each. Okay, megapixels, no, megabytes, 12 megabytes each. So here's some examples of animated GIFs, right? There's some animated GIFs that you can see. Sometimes it can be really basic in the sense that it's just a static image and there's an overlay over the top where it's animated. Let me try and find one for you. So here, this one's really simple in the sense that it's just a bunch of images and they've put it through a GIF and it's just filtering through each one, okay? This one is pretty easy as well in the sense that he's just using a GIF to morph them from one, crossfade it from one image to another. And these 3D models are pretty cool too. You know, I dabbled with Blender, and when I say dabbled, I mean I downloaded the software, and that's as far as I got. So yeah, no good with Blender. So this is just like maybe 2 or 3 images, or just one images that they're moving around. Like, and this is a really easy one. This is just the same, similar to what I showed you. It's one image with 3 color schemes, red, white, and blue. And they've just put it through a GIF maker and it's making that. Okay, so let's jump back into our GIF maker. Now I want you to just play with these numbers. I'm not a kind of techie guy, I will admit, even though some people think I am, but I'm not. So anyway, let's make the GIF and see what happens. I'm gonna change this because I think 20 is too long. I'm just gonna change 10. Okay, let's just see what happens. So if I click make a GIF, it's gonna do it for me now. And as you can see, that's pretty fast, right? That animation is pretty fast. So maybe we'll go 15. So that's a bit better, maybe? No? Okay, let's do 20. So that's 20 frames per second, I think that's what it means. And as you can see, it's like stop, start, stop, start, stop, start, bang, 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 bang. It's just going through the 4 images on a loop, which is cool. Okay, you can kind of end the loop if you want, but with animations you kind of just want to keep looping, right? If you want a fade or a transition, you want to tick this box which says crossfade the frames and click make GIF, and it should be a slower transition, as you can see here. Okay, so it's not bang, 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 bang anymore. You see the light will slowly go on and off, on and off. It will transition through the 4 different skylines, and some limitations include the fact that it won't take the high res images, because I think the fact that it's turning into a GIF, it makes it a bit difficult to kind of keep everything intact. So you can see a bit of grain here as a result of turning it into a GIF, but it's just a few limitations that we have to live with. Now, that GIF is 30 megs. You can optimize it and compress it, but I really don't want to. And there's a few other things that you can do. You can kind of click effects and, you know, change the color preset. You can do the reverse animation. So just a few things for you to play with. There's some filters as well. So that's pretty cool. You can add an overlay if you want a watermark or something. You can kind of do that, and then you can just click save and it will download the file for you. Absolutely free, really awesome tool, great fun to use, and yeah, gives artwork or NFTs a different spin to them. So like I said, it's kind of hard to kind of get people to notice your artwork a lot of times, and making a little transition to it by adding animations or turning it into a GIF, whatever you want to call it, does make a big improvement to something so simple. So there you go. Hopefully that was easy for you guys to understand. Remember, when you make your artwork, you just need an element that does change. And like I said before, now that you've seen the tool, you probably know how this is done. It's literally maybe 5-8 images, and they've put it through a GIF, and it's just transitioning. There's no crossfade. It's just going bang, 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 bang. This one has a bit of a crossfade. It's again multiple images. They've hit crossfade, and it's kind of melting one into the other, into the other, into the other. So pretty cool, great tool. Use it. If you found this handy, this tip handy, then please give a thumbs up, subscribe. We've hit the 1,000 subscribers, so thank you everyone for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate the support, and I'll keep churning out videos and hopefully provide more insight, more hints and tips on NFTs and everything else related to digital artwork. So there you go, guys. Until the next video, I'll see you soon.